Good morning, everybody. I can't say I slept all that great last night. I kind of kept tossing and turning. Could not find my comfortable spot. Anyway, I'm up. I had to make some coffee. As I said in the last video there, I decided I'm just going to use the, excuse me. Decided I'm going to use the pour-through coffee maker rather than the big drip coffee maker, this drip. Just to keep things a little simpler. There's a lot of room in here right now. There we go. The furnace did really well though overnight. We turned the temperature down all the way to basically the lowest setting before the thermostat turns off, which kept the van about 50 degrees overnight, which was perfect. The furnace cycled just a few short times during the night, but otherwise it's done well here. Turned it on when I got up this morning. So what is it, in here? 70 degrees in here, so brought the temperature up a bit. And didn't take it too long to bring the temperature up, so that was the first thing I did when I first woke up there, is I reached over and turned the thermostat on, and you see it's warm enough here. I'm not wearing a shirt even in here. A little chilly down at the floor because there's still some drafts coming in from areas where I haven't gotten the insulation done yet, but we'll get there. Anyway, alright, we'll check back in with some coffee. Yep, the furnace is on again, but oh well, it cycles often, what can I say? Alright, haven't used this setup in a little while, so this is going to be kind of fun. This is a simpler way of making coffee. Doesn't require setting up the big drip coffee maker. Less things to clean. Sometimes this makes more sense. Oh. So I don't need to make as much coffee either. Make it as I need it. That should be good. That's good. Ooh, that handle gets hot. Oh, this will work. There we go. And it gets a little on the hot side, what can I say? Only downside is it does require a little bit more effort versus the drip coffee maker. Alright, I'm going to go out for a little hike. Go up into Lincoln Woods a little bit here, but then we're probably going to turn around, pack up, and head home. So unfortunately, I was hoping this would clear up here, but it hasn't yet. But my cat Poppy is having a constipation issue. She started having it when I left. I was hoping she would break through it and won't be a concern, but it hasn't happened yet. So I may end up having to take her over to the vets to get her an enema and find out if she's got some sort of a blockage or something. Anyway, let's take a look around Lincoln Woods here. Take a quick look before we pack up and head home. Well, that was a fun little hike. We're back at the site here, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. The next one here, we'll give you a quick little tour of the setup that I've arranged the van, and then we're going to pack up and head home and see how my cat Poppy's doing. Once we get back home again, we'll weigh the propane tank too, see how much propane I used in one day, and that will give me an idea of how much propane this furnace is going to use on an average trip. So if you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button there for more of these adventures and more van build and other content like that. And remember, slow down and enjoy life, and thanks for watching.